Greetings and a warm welcome back to Anonymous Advice, the channel that never fails to deliver. We are thrilled to have all our regular viewers and would like to extend a special welcome to all the new ones. So, grab yourself a cup of coffee, or a glass of wine, whatever floats your boat, settle down, and let's get this video started. Do you want to start a poultry farm but you are caught between focusing on broilers or layers? In today's video, we are going to give you a deeper insight into the two and help you make an informed decision. When it comes to choosing between broilers and layers, there are a lot of factors to consider. Are you a risk taker or do you prefer a more cautious approach? How much time and money are you willing to invest in the business? These are all important questions to ask yourself before making a decision. Let's start with broilers. These birds are bred for their meat and they pack some serious genes. In just 6 weeks, you can sell them off as they reach over 2 kilograms in weight. However, it's important to note that they should not be kept for more than 10 weeks, as they may develop health issues due to their weight. Layers, on the other hand, are bred for their eggs and have genes that make them excellent egg layers. They produce eggs every 26 hours and can lay for over a year. They require special feeds to help them lay eggs faster, but they weigh less than broilers at around 1 to 1.8 kilograms. Now, let's talk about marketing. Broilers are ready for sale after just 6 weeks, so you need to have a market lined up before then. If not, you risk losing money as the birds continue to gain weight and become unhealthy. With layers, it's easier to manage and market because their eggs can be stored at room temperature for a long time. However, the downside is that the price of eggs is pretty constant and you may not be able to sell at a higher price than the market rate. When it comes to startup costs, broilers are cheaper to start with since they only require feed for 6 weeks. Layers, on the other hand, need feed for 18 to 26 weeks before they start laying eggs. Additionally, you'll need a larger number of layers to make a profit, while broilers can still be profitable with smaller numbers. Diseases are also a factor to consider. Broilers are less likely to get sick and require less vaccination since they only need to be kept for 6 weeks. Layers, on the other hand, will need to be vaccinated for over a year and have a higher risk of getting sick due to their longer lifespan. And finally, let's talk profits. Layers are more profitable in the long run because eggs fetch a higher price and the chickens can be sold for meat after 2 years. Broilers, on the other hand, are profitable in the short term and require constant demand to make a profit. So, which should you choose? If you're looking for quick profits with less risk and capital, broilers may be the way to go. However, if you're a risk taker with more capital and time, and looking for long-term profits, then layers may be the better option. So, don't scratch your head over this decision. Watch our videos for more insights and information to help you make an informed decision. And if you're starting your poultry farming business, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to join us on this journey and avoid costly mistakes.